Hey guys, it's Carter. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. In today's video, we are diving in and looking at, is now the best time to buy Tesla? Right now, Tesla's been absolutely getting obliterated. It hit its 52-week low. So now we're going to be looking at, is now the best opportunity to buy in at these lows, or are we just investing into a sinking ship? So I hope you guys all enjoy the video. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. So what has been going on with Tesla? So starting off, not even with just Tesla, let's talk about kind of Elon and the CEO of Tesla, right? So Elon over the past couple of months has been all over the news pretty much for Twitter, right? He recently just bought Twitter. We don't have to talk really about that, but a lot of people have been freaking out saying that's where all of his time is going to be in the future. And obviously, I definitely see where they're coming from. When a lot of people invest in Tesla, they're investing into Elon. Elon, pretty much everything he touches turns to gold. He invests into PayPal. He pretty much bought SpaceX, turned it around, bought Tesla, turned the company around. Owns the Boring Company, now just recently bought Twitter and pretty much turned Twitter into like a startup company, which is crazy. Cutting jobs, which a lot of people thought that was terrible to do, but he had to do that. He had to cut strings. And now what we're seeing is a major sell-off from this. Now, not to mention, Elon recently sold an ungodly amount of money from his Tesla shares to afford Twitter. So a lot of people also have been freaking out saying, Carter, this is a sinking ship. Elon's getting out of it. He's now focusing on, Twitter. And honestly, he could make Twitter, but he could make Twitter very, very popular and blow it up. But he recently stated that he would not be surprised if Twitter files bankruptcy by next year. That's how much money they're burning through right now. So I think he pretty much just needs any penny he can get. But getting back on track with Tesla, what we kind of found out yesterday was Tesla recalls 30,000 cars. And shares hit a 2-year low. So looking at the chart, right, investing into this stock here at $180 is like investing all the way back in 2019, which is crazy, right? All this profit, right, has been wiped out. Now, I definitely think right now what we're experiencing is something that this stock and company has never seen, right? And a lot of these startups that we've also seen hasn't seen something like this. So Tesla, a bulk of their money, just like Ford, is made from loans, right? People take out a car loan to afford a $80,000 Tesla. Right now, what we're experiencing, I think, is a huge factor with Tesla is interest rates are so high, right? At a minimum of 7 to 9% for an auto loan, people are not taking out these loans, which is causing Tesla to not sell as many vehicles. And what we've seen on their past earnings, they missed the revenue. Not surprising, because right now, interest rates are so high, and it's a lot easier to afford a car when you're getting stimulus and unemployment compared to a couple of years ago. And that's kind of what we're seeing as of right now. But on the flip side, buying in, from a stock that was once $414 a share, that is now $180. This stock has sold off. Year to date, it's down 54%. In the past year, it's down 53%. So obviously, this is such a strong opportunity, at least for me, to start investing in Tesla. Now, for me, I think Tesla is one of these stocks where it's either going to squeeze back up to 400, or this thing is going down to, $170, $50 a share. The volatility on it is very, very high. So for me, I'm taking the approach of dollar cost averaging, investing on a weekly basis, and keeping this thing under about 2% of my portfolio size. Now, what that means is for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, assets, bonds, ETFs, I put about $2 into Tesla. I think that there's a lot of potential for it, but on the flip side, Elon is going to be spending a lot more time at Twitter and a lot of his other companies compared to Tesla. So I think Tesla's team cars are amazing, their revenue and what they've done, and they're a lot more than just a electric car manufacturer. They're a huge data company. They're a huge AI, artificial intelligence. They're a huge autonomous driving. They have Tesla Solar. They have so many different companies inside Tesla. So I think that just to generalize them as an electric car company isn't the best approach. You have to understand kind of what they are and what they stand for. So for me, I think now does represent a good opportunity to buy in at a more affordable price. Also, if we go ahead and we look down here, this is what we call the RSI. It's Relative Strength Index. You guys will notice right now it's at about a 33. Looking back at recent times, it was at a 33, one in here or one in here. We got a little buying pressure right there. But if we go all the way out, right, it's been a long time. The last time was all the way in here, and you'll notice what we saw was buying pressure step up, right? If we continue to look across, right, looking for these lows, another point right here, boom, we had buying pressure. So for me, I just think that all the technical indicators are there. What we'll probably see is a lot more fundamental indicators make this stock more volatile, meaning we'll probably have a little more sell-off. But for me, guys, I think it's worth having. It's a strong company. They bring in billions of dollars. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. But remember to stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.